Hello, I'm Angela Larson, Supervisor of the Collier County Sheriff's Office Victim and Senior Advocacy Unit. Our unit has two primary functions, victim advocacy and senior advocacy, but our members are cross-trained to provide assistance to anyone, whether they are a victim of a crime or in need of assistance due to aging issues. We also have a team of agency members that help us provide services 24 hours a day. Several members are bilingual, ensuring that all victims receive services. Victim advocates come in contact with victims either in person when called to a crime scene or by having an offense incident report referred to them. Either way, our goal is to provide assistance to all victims of violent crimes. When an advocate responds to a crime scene, we act as a liaison between the victim or the victim's family and the law enforcement personnel on scene. We provide crisis intervention and support, explain what the process is and what the investigator is doing and why. We will assist the victim or surviving family members with information on the judicial process and, if needed, accompany victims to injunction for protection hearings or other judicial proceedings. The victim advocates work with several local organizations to provide long-term care and support. Some of our community partners include the Shelter for Abused Women and Children, Project Help, the Child Advocacy Center, and the State Attorney's Office. The primary goal of the victim advocates is to help victims of violent crimes return to a sense of normalcy they enjoyed prior to their victimization through personal advocacy, intervention, information, and referrals. Our Senior Advocacy Unit tackles another concern of Sheriff Rambosk, reducing the criminal victimization of older persons through strategies, planning, and programs. The senior advocates act as liaison for law enforcement personnel who may have contact with seniors who are vulnerable due to isolation and/or other infirmities of aging. The advocates can provide the older person with resources within our community to address specific concerns or to educate caregivers on programs within the agency and community that would assist them with caring for an aging loved one. Senior advocates provide public educational presentations on issues such as personal safety, scams and frauds, and identity theft to groups whose memberships are primarily older residents. Additionally, the senior advocates promote and administer several community programs such as CarFit, a program that helps older drivers ensure their car is fitted to them as a way to improve the driver's safety. Project Lifesaver, a program for seniors with Alzheimer's disease or other dementia, or persons with autism who may wander from their caregivers. The Project Lifesaver bracelet allows trained law enforcement personnel to track the wearer and return them to their loved ones. Senior Connection is a program where volunteers contact participants Monday through Friday at a set time to ensure the senior is safe. If they are unable to reach the participant, a key holder that has been previously identified by the participant is contacted to do a welfare check. If the key holder is not available, then law enforcement will go and check on the participant. This is a great peace of mind for seniors who live alone and fear they might fall and not be able to call for help. File of Life is another program that senior advocates coordinate. The File of Life is a magnetic pouch that contains the senior's vital information such as next of kin, doctor, medical history, medications, allergies, etc., so that first responders have this critical information as they begin to care for the patient. For more information about the Victim and Senior Advocacy Unit and our services, please call the Collier County Sheriff's Office at 252-9300.